Jazz.
Fucking Hoover!
Well, you better fucking Hoover again!
I hate you! You're a fucking asshole! Making the Kristen! I'm moving out. You!
She's worked hard this month, she's earned that. We know you've worked very hard this month, Courtney.
I'm scared.
Ready? Okay, open your eyes.
Are you taking the fucking piss?
I'm not, you are. Start cleaning if you want to be on that wall next month.
You cheeky little bastard!
That is ungrateful, okay? Never be like her.
Get off me now, you fat bitch. Fatty, fatty, don't want another cheesecake.
How much do you weigh? We're just doing something. Let me see me quickly. 12 stones. How much do you weigh?
Get off me now, you fat bitch. Fatty, fatty, don't want another cheesecake.
Mate, that just called you a fat... That disappeared! The scale was not wrong. You don't need to keep eating those cheesecakes. You fat. That's it.
You're the fat one!
I have no idea how that door held me. Yeah. You were scared by a door.
Ah!
Got fruit on it. You want to just get it off?
Why's your fingers in it?
There you go. Did you say thank you? I bought you breakfast.
I don't want it now.
No.
You've got all your dirty fingers
Do you
in
want
it.
to just get your breakfast off there? You don't want it?
Yeah, make me some more.
What, I've not done anything wrong.
Your grubby fingers have just been all in my breakfast.